I have breaking news about Tesla's possible next Gigafactory's location. According to a Mexico source, Milenio, Elon Musk's company Tesla, currently is refining the details with the administration of Samuel García to announce a factory in the municipality of Santa Catarina. That's in Mexico. Apparently, Tesla is refining the final details with the government of Nuevo Leon, that's where it's supposed to be, to announce the installation of a factory in the state in Mexico, which is expected to be made public at the beginning of 2023. Earlier this year, we learned that by the end of 2022, Tesla may announce other gigafactories, but Tesla has reportedly now acquired land in Nuevo Leon, Mexico, and it is on the verge of announcing a plan to build a factory on it. It can be a gigafactory or just a factory. Let me tell you why. Do you remember that earlier this year we reported people crossing the border between Texas and Nuevo Leon were surprised to see not just the usual marked lanes for cars crossing the country, but trucks, but also one lane was marked Tesla. Electric reported that it ended up finding out that Tesla had struck a deal with the state of Nuevo Leon to have its own lane at the border crossing in order to reduce wait times for cargo going through the border, or at least that was the explanation of Ivan Rivas, the economy minister of Nuevo Leon, which is a state in Mexico. While it's true that Tesla has several suppliers in the state, as we have reported at the time, we suspected that the move might have more to do with Tesla potentially investing in the factory in the state. This would make sense, not the proximity with Giga Texas. Milenio reports that although a confidentiality agreement has been agreed between both parties, information to which MILENIO-Multimedios had access shows that the plant will be installed in the west of the municipality of Santa Catarina. The source said Tesla will come to Santa Catarina. The investment will be finalized in the coming weeks. After the end of the year, it will be announced. The commitment is that it must be completed immediately after the start of 2023. We know that it will generate employment and it will be located in the only area available, which is the west of the municipality. It is not possible to inform more because there is a confidentiality contract, Milenio reports. Now, if you guys live in the area and know any potential land and want to send us images, I would greatly appreciate it. Maybe I can share here on this channel. Now, according to the same report, Tesla has already acquired the land in Santa Catarina for the factory. However, what type of factory Tesla plans to build in Mexico is still unknown. Tesla is best known for its gigafactories, which builds electric vehicles and other products at an epic scale. But the automaker has lately also announced plans for factories producing battery cells and battery materials. So will this factory in Mexico be for batteries? This is very likely. Otherwise, there is a proximity to Giga Tesla. So note that proximity that Tesla factory location in Mexico has with Giga Texas. It's about 360 miles from Austin. We can presume that this could be a new Tesla Gigafactory in Mexico for batteries, but it is more likely to be a factory for components to supply Giga Texas. Otherwise, I find it difficult to justify putting another full car factory so close to Giga Texas in Austin. What do you think, friends? And if you're from the area and know some location, let us know in the comment section below and give us thumbs up, please. I would greatly appreciate it. If you found it helpful, tweet it out, share it in social media, and I'll look forward to your comments. God bless you, and I'll see you soon in our next report.